Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know from product names, SKU, prices, product features, and even launch dates if they are available. So guys, you know our practice here, just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot, and for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping everyone! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. And kindly like and share this video. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us begin with the Colormania Collection 2. That would be launching November 7, 2024. First, we have the Horizon size 55. Price is €3,000. Color of this one is Rose Pondicherry, size 55, rolling luggage. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it has a same color interior. Next on the Colormania Collection, we have Horizon 55 in the Vert Borneo colorway. So it is the same price, €3,000. We have SKU here, same launch date of November 7. So this is the interior, same color interior as with the cowhide leather trim interior, which is the Vert Borneo, and the main body is monogram canvas. Next on the collection, we have the Nice Mini. So this one would come in different colorway. First, we have the Rose Pondicherry colorway. Price of this one is €960. So this is the interior. So the interior is color pink as well, and it kind of reminds me of the interior of a Neverfull. So this is a close-up with silver hardware. Main body is the classic monogram canvas. Next colorway of the Nice Mini, we have the Jaune Saffron. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Same price of €960, and this is the interior again with the same colorway, Jaune Saffron, with the striping detail that kind of resembles the interior of the Neverfull. So this is the front look with the silver hardware, and we're going to see that the leather trims is in the Jaune Saffron. Next colorway is the Blue Gaston. Same price of €960. Loving this colorway. I think the Blue Gaston colorway really pops out against the brown classic monogram canvas, as you can see here, with the interior as well as with the top handle in the leather piping on the outside part of the Nice Mini. Next, we have the Trio Messenger. Price of this one is €2,200. Color of this Trio Messenger is the Vert Borneo. Main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. The interior is same color canvas with the striping detail. It comes with large bag, medium pouch, and keyclay, as you can see here, and it comes with detachable canvas strap. Next, we have the SLG. So first, we have pocket organizer. €360 for different colorways. Kindly take note of the SKU. So first, we have the Vert Borneo. This one is the Rouge Sari. And last but not the least, we have the Blue Indigo. The main material is the classic monogram canvas, and it has cowhide leather trims that is same color as the SKU. Then we have the DOP kit here. Price is $1,070. We have SKU here. Colorway is the Vert Borneo, so the leather trims and the handle is in Vert Borneo, and the interior is in the same colorway as well. So it would have silver hardware, silver zipper, as you can see here, and main body is the classic monogram canvas. Next, we have the Clemence wallet. Price is $630. It would come in 3 different colorways. First, we have the Rose Pondicherry, then we have the Jaune Saffron, then we have the Blue Gaston. So as you can see, the interior is the Colormania Collection, and it would come with the monogram canvas as well with silver hardware. Next, we have the Port Cards Kirigami. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this SLG. I think this is new, guys. Kindly correct me if I'm wrong. Price of this one is $385. So color is Blue Gaston. It would come with two SLG, the smaller Kirigami and a flat card holder like this. As you can see, the interior, the leather trims is the same color as the Blue Gaston. Different collection now. So we have the men's ski collection that will be launching October 18, 2024. First, we have the Slope Bum Bag. Price is 1,850 euro or 2,340 USD. We have SKU here. So this one, I'm not really sure, guys, if this is just, you know, the glaze monogram canvas or just like the nylon material with monogram print. As you can see here, this would also come in Keepall Sport. Price is 2,900 euro or 3,700 USD. So as you can see, I'm zooming in. I'm not really sure if this is a nylon or a classic Louis Vuitton canvas design, but honestly, guys, I'm not really fond of this design, the Keepall Sport. It doesn't look luxurious to me, but this one I like. So we have the Speedy 40 bandolier from the men's ski collection. Price of this one is 4,900 euro or 6,150 USD. Main material is the May pattern with shearling trims and vachetta leather trims, and it would come with adjustable and detachable vachetta shoulder strap. Next, we have the Teddy backpack. So this is different from the ski collection, but this one, the size is nano. Price is 4,350 USD. Main material is shearling with monogram canvas, detachable monogram straps. Interior is monogram as well, as you can see here. So you could close this one with magnetic, but the interior, it is a drawstring like the Neo No Way. Next, we have Keepall 25, another collection. So we have discussed some of this one previously. Kindly check it out. So this is from the Park Seobo collection that will be launching October 31st. So the Keepall 25 is 2,900 euro. The main body is cowhide leather trims, but it would have a monogram pocket in front. What do you think, and how do you feel about the monogram pocket, guys? It would come in Keepall 50. Price is 4,200 euro. We have SKU here. So just looking at this one, guys, I'm not really sure, but I feel that the pouch, the monogram pouch up front, could be detached, because that would be amazing. If not, guys, I'm not really sure if this is a good, you know, version of the Keepall bags. Then we have Tote Cargo, still from the Park Seobo collection, Spring Summer 2025, which would be launching October 31st. Price of the Tote Cargo is 3,200 euro. So this one, the main body is monogram canvas, and it would have the monogram pockets up front. So the strap is canvas and it is not detachable. Unfortunately, it would be best if, for example, the strap is fully detachable. And then we have the On The Go size PM. Price is 2,700 euro. We have SKU here. Main material is the giant upfront leather in the gunmetal colorway. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, as you can see here. This is going to launch October 19th, 2024. Next, we have District Messenger. This is a new Dame Graphite collection, launching November 7, 2024. Price of this one is 1,650 euros. So if you are a fan of graphite, so a new one will be coming out. I'm seeing that the leather trims is in different colorway, as you can see here. The strap is canvas. Unfortunately, it's not detachable. Next, we have the PF Slender. Price is 410 euro. We have SKU here. Same new material from the Dame Graphite collection. And the interior, as you can see here, is like a darker blue colorway. I'm really loving it. And here is the close-up. So what do you think, guys, of the new Dame Graphite collection? Would you say yes? Kindly comment down below. Next, we have the Men's Pre-Collection 2025. So we have discussed this also previously, but we have new ones right now. First, we have the handle trunk. Price is 9,000 euro. Wow. So this is from the Heritage yellow colorway. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, hard-sided trunk with top handle and detachable crossbody strap. Next, we have the Coffret 8 Montres. Price is €8,000. Kindly take note of the SKU. This is from the Men's Pre-Collection 2025. Colorway is Heritage Yellow. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Hard-sided trunk with same color interior. As you can see here, it would have aged gold hardware. Next collection, we have the Men's Pre-Collection, but this time the colorway is Heritage Green. So first we have the Discovery Backpack. Price is €2,600. Kindly take note of the SKU. So this is a backpack style, so the interior is color green as well. It has main compartment, front zippered compartment. It has the writing at front and detachable bag tag. Same with brush bum bag. Price of this one is €2,000. So as you can see, how cute is the Vachetta dog paw bag tag, and here is what you're going to see once you've opened the main compartment. It is color green as well, and it has the Louis Vuitton writing front aside from the monogram canvas. Next, we have the Pochette Voyage Soft. That would be priced at $1,290. Colorways Heritage Green. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Soft version of the Pochette Voyage that will be launching October 31st, 2024. And last but not the least, on the Monogram Heritage Collection Men's Pre-Collection 2025, we have Horizon 55. Price is €3,200. Launching October 31st. Main materials monogram canvas, and as you can see, the siding of this one is in metal. The interior is green, and there are parts of the wheel as well that is color green as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!